Hi everybody, and welcome to Unit 6. We're just about done with this course. It seems like an awful lot has happened already, but still it's surprising to me that we're almost through. This is the last unit in which I'll be providing any information for you about features of the Python language. We'll have one more unit after this, which is your capstone project, where you're going to show off everything you've learned and create a project for me. But for this last one, we've still got a few things to learn. So what are we going to be doing? There are 3 lesson videos and 1 programming assignment for you to work on. You need to do this the first week, this week, of this unit. Even though it's a 2-week unit, you have to finish your programming assignment this week, and I'll tell you why. There's going to be 3 lesson videos that teach you how to handle runtime errors in Python. They also teach you how to read from the World Wide Web. So you can pull data off the internet into your Python program. We're going to use that to pull data from the Google Finance site. And the third of the 3 videos gives you an example of doing exactly that. You're going to need to be able to use this in the programming assignment that you do. Now, the programming assignment is going to be due Sunday night, April 17th at midnight my time zone, which is Eastern Daylight Time in the United States. For those of you in Asia, that means that it's sometime on Monday at about noon for you. For people in the United States that are not in the Eastern Time Zone, it's due at midnight my time. If you're in California, that's 9 p.m. your time. The reason that it makes a difference this time is at midnight, once this program is due, you will randomly be assigned 3 of your colleagues' programs for you to do peer grading on. And if they haven't been submitted yet, they won't get assigned. So I need to have all of you submit your program by Sunday night, April 17th, and then when you check again on Monday, April 18th, you should see that you've been assigned randomly 3 of your colleagues' submissions, and you're going to go through and download their program and test it and go through the rubric and tell them whether they did everything they were supposed to in the program. While you're doing that, you're going to be looking at their program, so you'll see the way somebody else did some code that might be the same as you did, might be a different way than that you did. You're going to fill out the rubric for them saying, yeah, you earned the points for doing this part, you earned the points for doing this, you didn't quite do this, and leave them some comments on what they did particularly well, suggestions you have for them. You've got 1 week to do the program, then you've got 1 week to do these peer assessments. So you got to be on time. The other thing that I need to warn you about for week 2, we're going to get a head start on our capstone project. So when you come back and look to see what you've been assigned for the peer assignments, you're also going to see that the last unit, Unit 7, the capstone project, has been opened up because it overlaps with these peer assessments, because I need you to think about what you're going to do for your project and get approval from me during the second week of Unit 6, so that you have all of the time allotted in Unit 7 to actually perform your capstone project. So got it? During this week, from now through April 17th, watch the 3 lesson videos, write your program. There is a discussion board, but I'm not going to grade the discussion board this time because I'm grading you on how well you're grading each other. So I've already got something that shows that you're interacting with each other. Then in week 2, you've got 3 of your colleagues' assignments to grade, and you're going to have to come up with your idea for your capstone project, and you're going to have a Skype session with me to talk about it. So you got that to look forward to, and as always, happy programming.